Are you looking for an East Simi Valley home with more than 2,200 square feet on a cul-de-sac with a sparkling pool and upgrades galore? Welcome to 2077 Rockdale. I'm Larry Watson with Larry Watson Homes at RE/MAX, and I want to show you this property. Come on in, let's take a look around. Welcome to this fabulous home. This garage is so big you can fit a lifted full-size pickup truck. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this home. This home is located at 2077 Rockdale Avenue, Simi Valley, 93063. This home has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and more than 2,200 square feet of living space. This home has upgrades galore. So many upgrades, you'll have to check the comments for a complete list. If you'd like a private tour or you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. The number is 805-660-8219. I'm never too busy to take your call. Hashtag Larry Watson Homes. Find me everywhere on the internet. And remember, strategy matters, experience matters, but you matter most. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.